To make a mass payment, choose your portfolio from the Portfolio drop-down menu, if applicable. You have two options for making the payment. Either click Make Payment on the home page or go to Billing and select your bill. Here you can view the service addresses, account numbers, total amount due, past due amounts, payment eligibility, and due dates. Each of these columns can be sorted. Choose the accounts you want to pay, or if you prefer to pay all accounts, click the check mark next to Address at the top. Note that some accounts may have different payment eligibility requirements and will need to be paid separately. After selecting your accounts, click on Make Payment, select a payment date. Then select your payment method and click Next. Review the payment information, then click Make Payment. Once the payment is made, you will receive a confirmation email.